Let me tell you something about my bicycle ride. Not that anybody asked today.
No.
Heading east,
Brutal.
Great fun.
Oh yeah, right.
Heading west was not fun.
Not ideal.
Have you not been paying attention to Danielle's forecast?
Yes,
He's gonna ride his bike whether we tell him or not.
But the thing is, I've not ridden so often lately because of the wind. I'm like, yeah, I gotta go. But I'm like,
You're hearing. I could hear the wind, from outside. I could hear it in my window.
Yes. It was brutal today.
It was ugly.
So we had to deal with fires out there. We had to deal with blowing dust too, limiting
Right.
visibility across the area. So it was a mess, not only here around the Denver area, but also up to the mountains and into the foothills. That's really where the worst of the wind was. 80+ mile/per-hour wind gusts, Copper, Winter Park, Berthoud Pass, and then out toward DIA. They were looking at winds easily in that 60 mile/per-hour range earlier this afternoon. So it was a very busy day across town. Nice to see those fires put out. We still are going to be tracking high fire danger though for tomorrow. The fire weather watch goes back into effect at 11 a.m. for the I-25 corridor, Eastern Plains till 5 p.m. The winds tomorrow, not quite as strong, but still very gusty. And we saw what happened today. One spark, all it takes, and you have 40+ mile/per-hour winds charging through, incredibly low humidity values. It's a mess. Tonight across downtown Denver, we're watching some cloud cover starting to push in and the possibility of a couple of light little rain showers. They're not going to add up to much, unfortunately, but we do have a front backing in. 60s for daytime highs this afternoon, 70s in Lyman over to Ray, 82 in Lamar, and we were even in the 50s up through the high country. Looking at the climate calendar, numbers running a solid about 20 degrees above our average yet again. Tonight on the satellite radar composite, it has been fairly active. We've been monitoring that snow around our northern and central mountains, the I-70 mountain corridor all day long. So some really nice snow stacking up. And then now we have a cold front that's backing in, helping to bring a few scattered rain showers across the northeastern plains. Hopefully as it inches closer into Denver, we'll be looking at a few of those showers. Up there toward the Loveland ski area, it looks pretty good visibility wise. Maybe a couple of flurries still flying. We're tracking our winter weather alerts all expiring at midnight tonight after delivering some pretty impressive totals overall, about 4 to 8 inches across I-70 with more in the northern mountains. We'll call it partly cloudy tonight. Temperatures hovering above the freezing mark, if not a little warmer. Low 30s in Lamar, La Junta over to Pueblo, and more 30s up through the high country. Futurecast pretty quiet for us. By 11 p.m. those snow showers really will start to wind down in the mountains. And then by tomorrow morning, we're waking up yet again to some breezy conditions. Winds ramping up in the early afternoon, and another yet again dry day for eastern Colorado. Those showers wind down in the mountains, and then we are looking at a much calmer day on Friday. Whew, it's been a week, right? Plenty of sunshine on tap for tomorrow, but like I said, the wind's still about 30 to 40 miles per hour. A little cooler, but still above average in the low 60s. Around town, we'll be in the 40s and low 50s up to the mountains. A little cooler, 39 in Netherland with upper 30s in Walden and over to Grand Lake too. As we wind down February, close to 70. So far, it does look like we could see a few scattered showers make a comeback heading into next week and the beginning of March. We're back right after this.